Guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, I would like to show you how to install iOS 13 beta 5 free without using a computer. So just I have to come in a setting. In setting just I have to click software update. Now at the present time, iOS 12.4 is working in this device. And clearly message given below iOS 12.4, see, your software is up to date. So how can I go for iOS 13 beta 5 especially in this iPhone device? So for iOS 13 I have to come on this website, on this link. This link I have given below the description box. Just you have to copy and by virtue of WhatsApp wave, just you have to send that link and click on that link. It will open in your Safari browser in your iPhone device automatically, and then you have to directly you can type here westtechinfo.com, and after coming on this website you have to scroll up and you have to click here, tap here to download your iOS 13 profile. So let me click here now. Now see here, one message is given that your website is this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? So just I have to go for allow here. Now here see guys, profile downloaded. Review the profile in setting app if you want to install it. So just I will close it. Now once again I will come on setting and I will go back here once again. Now here I have to come, see, profile downloaded. Now see guys, here finally I have got in iOS 13 iPad iOS 13 beta software. So just I have to go for install it, that's all. So when I will click on install, so now I have to enter my password of my phone device. So now here read it very well and then you have to go for install. So now it's saying that restart required, so please restart your iPhone device, apply changes, then click on install. So directly you will be able to update or install iOS 13 beta 5 free without using a computer. If you would like to update by virtue of the computer, just you have to comment below the comment box. I will also, if you would like to install iOS, update iOS by virtue of the computer, so I will show you by virtue of the computer how you will update. Otherwise just to go for manually by your own iPhone device, and just a similar procedure you have to implement here. So at the moment I am not going to restart, so not now. So this is way guys how to update or how to install iOS 13 beta 5 free without using a computer. Similar procedure I will show you also by virtue of the computer. If you would like to update, no problem at all. If you want, just leave the comment below the comment box. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If this video has been benefited to you in any way, then don't forget like and subscribe to my channels, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time.